Hello everyone, I am Perini Pavan Kumar, disciple of Bhartakala Prapurna Padma Shri Dr. Nataraj Ramakrishna Garu and Guru Shri Kalakrishna Garu. Working as Perini instructor in Bhakta Ramadasu Government Music and Dance College located in Secunderabad. The Government of Telangana under the Department of Language and Culture is encouraging 6 government colleges across the state to preserve and propagate our Indian dance and culture. The colleges are offering both offline and online classes. In this above stream, presently through their YouTube channels, they are planning to train the students with video lessons. As part of this, we are starting our first Perini dance training session. Now, I will start brief introduction about Perini. Perini Natyam has a rich and interesting history going back more than thousands years. It flourished in Kakatiya rule, particularly during the time of Emperor Ganapati Deva. This forgotten dance is unique among other classical dance forms in the sense that it has fully evolved with the immense effort to recreate this art form by late Padma Shri Nataraj Ramakrishna. He recreated this dance form after thorough research with respect to practicals as well as theoretical aspects. He based his research on Nutyaratnavali written by Jayappa, who is also belongs to Kakatiya period. Perini is a vigorous Nutta-oriented dance done to the beautiful Shabdas played on Mridangam. The dance performance is energy-giving and the Nadam that is produced for the dance is significantly felt by the audience. After the formation of Telangana government, Perini is also being performed by women and it is introduced in the music and dance colleges all over the Telangana. More than 100 students have successfully completed their certificate courses this year in Perini. In addition to this, in-person training, we are going now to release some videos on Bhakta Ramadasu Music and Dance College YouTube channel too. We will be detailing about the dance form, its practical and theoretical aspects in these episodes. As part of these online lessons, today I am going to start first year syllabus in Perini. We render 3 prayer shlokas. Now, our student Kumari Mansi Niharika will show the shlokas. The first shlokam. Angikam bhuvanam yasya Vachikam sarvavangmayam Aharyam chandra taradi Tvam vande satvikam shivam. The shloka means whose bodily movements in the entire universe, whose speech is the language of the universe, whose ornaments are the moons and the stars. Him we worship the pure Lord Shiva. The next one, Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. This shloka meaning, prayers to you Oh my Guru, who is the Brahma, the creator, who is the Vishnu, the preserver, who is the Maheshwara, the destroyer. With this knowledge, Guru, you are the Parabrahma, superior God of the absolute truth. My salutations and obedience to you. The third shloka. Samudra Vasane Devi Parvata Stana Mandale Natyam Karishya Bhudevi Padaghatam Kshamastvame. The meaning of the third shloka. Who Mother Earth, the Devi who is having ocean as her garments and mountains as her bosom, who is the consort of Sri Vishnu, I bow to you. Please forgive me for touching you with my feet. Moving forward with Namaskara. Namaskara in Perini is done with Sollukattu. I shall now recite the Jati and then we will start with the Namaskara Vidhi. The Sollukattu for the Namaskara is set in Aditalam with 5 avartas. Now I am going to show the Namaskara Sollukattu Jati. 1, 2, 3, start. Tam, takitta takka tak, kitta kitta takka dhim, takitta takka dhik, kitta kitta takka tom, takitta takka tom, kitta kitta takka nam, takitta takka nam, gitta kitta takka tam, takitta takka tak, kitta kitta takka dhim, takitta takka dhik, kitta kitta takka tom, takitta takka tom, gitta kitta takka nam, takitta takka nam, gitta kitta takka tam, takitta takka tam, tam, takitta takka tam, tam, takitta takka tam. Now we are moving to Namaskara Vidhi. Already I mentioned the Sollukattu. Now with that Sollukattu she is going to show the Namaskara. 1, 2, 3, start. Tam, takitta takka tak, kitta kitta takka dhim, takitta takka dik, kitta kitta takka tom, takitta takka tom, gitta kitta takka nam, takitta takka nam, gitta kitta takka tam, takitta takka tak, kitta kitta takka dhim, takitta takka dik, kitta kitta takka tom, takitta takka tom, gitta kitta takka nam, takitta takka nam, gitta kitta takka tam, takitta takka tam, tam, takitta takka tam, tam, takitta takka tam. In today's class, we have completed Shloka and Namaskara. And in the next classes, we are going to start the basic exercises for body flexibility and strength. We also learn about Dr. Nataraj Ramakrishna Garu and Guru Kalakrishna Garu in the next episodes. Thank you.